Hi children, how are you? Fine. I hope you all are fine. Okay? Yes. Have you completed the previous day's homework? Yes. Have you studied the previous lesson? What lesson we studied? The previous lesson we studied time, is it? Today we are going to start the next lesson, money. Have you heard the word money? What is meant by money? Money means rupees and pies, is it? We denote rupees and pies as money, is it? Have you seen the rupee notes? See, what is this? This is 1000 rupee note, is it? This is 500. This is 100, 50, 20. Have you seen the notes? Then 10 rupee note, 5 rupee notes, 2 rupee notes. Have you ever seen this? Yes. Have you seen coins? Yes, we saw, is it 1 rupee coin, 50 pice coin, then 2 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, etc. We saw this all, is it? So, the rupees and pies are denotes as money. Do you understand now? Yes. Shall we see the fill-ups? Yes. Listen to the first one. Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. Listen to the first one. Money is in the form of currency notes and coins. Listen, money is in the form of currency notes and coins. This is now only we saw, because if the currency notes and coins belongs to money, is it? Have you seen the rupee notes and coins? We all saw, see, that are all called as money. So money is in the form of currency notes and coins. Do you understand? Listen to the next one. The symbol used for rupees is this symbol, and for pies is P. Listen, the symbol used for rupees is that symbol, okay, and for pies is P. We should denote as P. Have you understood? Yes. Listen to the third one. Rupees 1 equal to 100 pies. Okay. Rupees. So we all know about rupees 1. So 100 pies only together called as 1 rupee. Okay. So rupees 1 equal to 100 pies. Have you understood? Next. Fourth one. 1000 pies equal to rupees 10. Okay, 1 rupee means we should say that is 100 pies. So 1000 pies means we should say that is rupees 10 rupee. Okay, listen to the fifth one. We separate rupees and pies by dot. Okay, we separate rupees and pies by dot. We all know if we want to write 10 rupee, we can write it as rupees 10. Is it? If we want to write 10 rupee 50 pies, we can write as rupees 10.50. So 10 rupee 50 pies. Okay. Similarly, if you want to write for 20 rupee 50 pies, we can write as rupees 20.50. So 20 rupee 50 pies. Listen, we separate the rupees and pies by dot. That means we separate, these are called rupees and this side is called as pies. Okay. So we separate rupees and pies by dot. Have you understood now? The fifth filler. Listen. We separate rupees and pies by dot. Okay. Here I put 2 points. The name of this is called as dot. Okay. So 10.50 at 20.50 means we can separate rupees and pies now. Okay. Yes. Listen to the Roman letter. Next Roman letter. Listen to Roman letter 2. List out the least number of notes or coins. List out the least number of notes or coins to make the given account. To make the given account. What is given? List out the least number of notes or coins to make the given account or given amount. Okay, anyway you can say. Or given amount. Listen to the first question. First one is rupees 65. The question is rupees 65. Read the heading. What is given? List of the least number of notes or coins to make the given account. So here, what are the rupee notes we need to get the amount? Rupees 65. Okay. Listen here. Already I told to you. These are all currency and coins, isn't it? Listen, list out the least number of notes or coins to make the given amount, rupees 65. So for rupees 65, what are the rupee notes we need? Listen, 50 rupee we need to make rupees 65. Okay, so we need 50 rupee notes. So listen, answer is rupees 50 plus, here we need the answer 65. So first we need 50 rupee note. Next we need, listen, 10 rupee note. Okay, 10 rupee note to get 65. So rupees 10 and also plus rupees 5. Okay, 5. If we add 50 plus 10 plus 5, we will get the answer 65. Have you understood the first question? Understood? Listen to the second one. Rupees 77. To get the answer 77, what are the rupee notes we need? Check here. First we need 50 rupee note. Okay. So listen. First we should write rupees 50 plus, next which rupee we need? 20. Okay. 20. First 50, next 20. Okay. So rupees 20 plus, next which what rupee we need? We need rupees 5. Okay. 5. So if you are adding 50 plus 5, here we get the answer 77. So again we should add rupees 2. Okay, if you add rupees 2, we will get the answer 77. Have you understood now? If you add and see, you will get this answer. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 2, 77. Have you understood? Yes. Listen to the third question. Rupees 84. To get the answer 84, what are the rupee notes we need? Check it once. First we need rupees 50. Okay. Next we need rupees 20. If you add 50 and 20, we will get 70. Okay. But we need the answer 84. So with 70, again we should add 10 rupee. If you add 10, we will get 80. We need 84, is it? So again we should add 2 times 2 rupee note. Then we will get the answer 84. Have you understood? Listen here. First, how much rupee we want to write? First we want to write rupees 50 plus again rupees 20. Next rupees 10. Next rupees 4, 2 plus rupees 2. If you add this all, 50 plus 20, 70, 80, 82, 84, we will get the answer 84. Shall we see one more question? Listen to the fourth question. Rupees 18. We need rupees 18. To get 18, what are the rupee notes we need? Listen here. We want to get the answer 18. Is it? So, we get the 10 rupee note. Okay. First we need 10 rupee note. Next 5 rupee note. Next 2 rupee note. And next 1 rupee note. Okay. So, listen. To get the answer 18, first we should need 10 rupee note plus rupees 5 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 1. Okay. So if you are adding 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Have you understood Roman letter 2? Is it easy now? Yes. Now, all of you take your book. All of you take your book. Listen. Take page number 159. Take page 159. Listen. At the last, there they given exercise. Have you seen the heading exercise? Read it. Tick the currency notes for which we have coins. So, here 4 currency notes are given. From these 4, which are the notes that have coins also? The first one, 1 rupee have 1 rupee coin. Is it? And also the last one, 10 rupee has 10 rupee coin. Do you understand? So, first and last is the answer. Okay. Take next page. Page number 160. Listen to the second question. Circle the notes and coins needed to buy the items given below. The first question is they given one picture. See, one water bottle. Here they given the cost of the water bottle is 45 rupee. See, we want to mark the rupee notes and coins that it is given near to the question. Okay. So for 45 rupees, what are the rupee notes here we need? We need 20 rupee, 20 rupee, then 40. Again, 2 rupee coins. So 2 times 2 rupee and here 1 rupee. Okay, you should circle the correspondent value. Okay, listen to the next one. The next one, then cost is 20 rupee. You say for 20s we should mark 10 rupee, 5 rupee and also 1 5 rupee coin. Okay, like that. Third one also the cost is 17. You see, so we want to write mark here 1 10 rupee, 5 rupee, then 2 1 rupee coin. Okay, and the last one the cost is 15. You see, so we should mark us here of 5 2 rupee coins and 7 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coin. Have you understood? These all are, you should do it in the book. Okay. Next, third one also, here the match is given. Here also they give the cost of each one. And here they give the money. You should match it. Okay. Now, take page number 161. Page number 161. In page number 161, listen, exercise 10A. Okay, listen to the first question. Give different combinations for the following. Write the currencies in the boxes. Here they gave for you 20 rupee note and all the 3 sides there they give boxes, is it? In that boxes, you should write the combination of notes to get the rupees 20. Okay, shall we write the answer now? Listen to the first, this one. You should write the answer as rupees 10 plus rupees 10. If you add rupee 10 plus rupees 10, we will get the answer 20. Okay. So one box you write as the answer rupees 10 plus rupees 10. And next side you should write and the next side you should write as rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. Okay. If you add 4 times 5, we will get the answer rupees 20. Have you understood? Yes. One more. Listen. Here also we need 20. See it? So you should add rupee 10 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. If you add 10 plus 5 plus 5, you will get the answer 20. Do you understand this, everyone? Yes. Take next page. Page number 162. Take page 162. Listen to the first one. Count the money and write the total amount. Here they gave the rupee notes and coins. You see, you should count. Here, what are the rupees here they given? 10 plus, no 100 plus, 100 plus, 10 plus 10. You see, so if you are adding, you will get the answer 220. Okay, like that here also you should count the money and you should write the answer. Okay, here in third one also you should write do it the same, and fourth one also you should do it as the same. Okay, now listen, next one. Add the following. Do you know to add? Listen, do you know to add? Listen to the first one. Add rupees 32 plus rupees 25. Do you know to add this? Already you studied. Is it addition? Listen. For addition, only rupee is given. Here no paisas are given. Is it? So first you should write rupee and pice. Here is there paisas given? No pice. Is it? So we should write rupees and pice, but in the place of pice we should put zeros because no pice are given. We should put 0. Okay. Now listen, first what number is given? First they given 32 rupees, no pice, and plus 25 rupees, no pice. So 0, 0, pice. Do you know to add? If you are adding 0 plus 0, what answer you will get? 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. Similarly, 2 plus 5 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So how do you write the answer? Answer is rupees 57. Do you understand this? Is it easy addition? Already we studied. Is it as addition? So same pattern only. Here also he wants to follow. Okay. Listen to the next one. Second question. Add rupees 75 plus rupees 10. Same method. Okay. Listen to the solution. First we want to write rupee and pice. Okay. In the place of rupee, first what rupee we want to write? We want to write 75 rupee and 0 pice. No pice. Okay. And listen to the next. What is given here? 10 rupees. See. So plus 10 rupee, no pice. When we are adding, what answer here we will get? 0 plus 0 means here we will get 0. And here 5 plus 0 means the answer is 5. And 7 plus 1 means The answer is 8. Do you know to add? How do you add? 7 in mind. Take one finger. 7 after 8. See it. So here the answer is rupees 85. Don't forget to put rupee. Okay. If you forget, the teachers will reduce for you mark. So you should put the symbol rupee symbol. Do you understand? Listen to the next question. Third one. Add rupees 34 plus rupees 29. Do you know how to add? Listen to the solution, very easy. First we want to put rupees and pies. Next we should put 34 rupees, no pies, plus 29 rupees, no pies. This is, here we want to add. When you are adding 0 plus 0 means we will get 0. Next, when you are adding 4 plus 9, we will get 4 in mind. Take 9 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See it? Balance 1. Right here 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. See, so what is the answer? Answer is rupees 63. Did you understand? Write today's homework question. Today's homework. Exercise 10A part. From there you should do 1 to 4 and 10B full. Because 10B the first question, okay? You should do that. You have to do it in the book. So today's homework you should do it in the book. Okay? Thank you.